What is up, Cracker Fam? We are back with another video, and today we're going to be showing you, well, Mel's going to be showing you how to make
deep fried Oreos.
Deep fried Oreos.
Or fried Oreos.
Okay.
Who will you love? Who will you fight for? Who will you fall for? Who will you give all your love to?
So before the video gets started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on so you know when we post a new video, because, well, we just trying to make it. Anyway, back to the video. Alrighty, so here are the ingredients you're going to need to make these fried Oreos, which you don't want to eat too many of them. You just want to eat about one, maybe two, but then leave it alone after that because it's just, no. Okay, so the first ingredient you're going to need are obviously Oreos. Show the people the Oreos.
Oreos, you can get any kind of Oreos, but I got the original one.
Yeah, it works best with the original ones. But if you want to use my favorite, the lemon, vanilla ones, you know, it probably won't be as good, but...
How do you know? You never tried them.
I just know. Anyway.
Then we need oil. Last but not least, pancake mix.
Any kind of pancake mix. You can use Aunt Your Mama's. You can use the generic Great Value kind. But if you like Aunt Your Mama's, then use Aunt Your Mama's.
Aunt Your
Hold
Mama's?
on, you said Ain't Your Mama.
Aunt Your Mama's. Ain't Aunt Your Mama's? Ain't Your Mama. Oh, Aunt Your Mama.
You said Ain't Your Mama's.
Aunt Your Mama's.
I'm done.
Anyway, we're gonna
Get out of here.
Mel's gonna show you how to make these right now. Let's go.
Alrighty, here we go. And so I'm just gonna use 5 to make pancakes, 5 for 7, because you know we don't want that much. So I need 1 cup and 2/3 cup of water. So I need 1 cup right here first. Ooh,
Do too much, right?
1 cup. Save the rest because we can make some for breakfast.
Probably not.
2/3 cup of water. And this is optional. I put eggs in my pancake mix because I feel like it tastes a whole lot better when you add an egg to it. Get your little whisk and whisk it all together. And whisk it. Make sure it's voila. Oh, you know what I forgot to do while I was mixing that? Forgot to put it there.
Turn on the surface. Always remember to turn on the surface, guys. Gotta be hot.
Gotta be hot and brisk.
Okay.
So you're gonna need a little spatula, or just a spatula, but I have a little one.
Just a spatula.
Time for the Oreos. Dunk them in.
Dump the Oreos in there.
Yes, sir. Another one. Now we wait, because I forgot to turn the surface on.
A few moments later.
Okay, once you dip it in there, you put it on the oil, hot and ready oil. And then you just wait to flip it over. Well, you gotta obviously pay attention. Till it gets like golden brown, you know. See, almost.
Already starting. Look at that. Now, do you pay attention, Mel?
Yeah.
That's what you say.
Do you pay attention?
I do.
Alrighty then. I don't want nothing to be jumping on me.
And we're just gonna cook them. Cook them, cook them, cook them.
Look, it's getting brown.
Should you turn that one over?
Turn this one over. Okay, let's look at this one. Nope. This one?
I think so.
Yeah, I flipped it over either way. Let's add some more Oreos.
How many more are you adding?
I'm adding 2 more. This one is hot and ready. Take away the excess oil. Put it on the pan. Put it on the pan. This one, I'm gonna flip it over a little bit so I can get a little extra crispy brown over here. Okay.
It tastes better a little crispy, y'all, I'm telling you.
Okay, I think it's been down there for 2 weeks. Voila. Here you have it. Fried Oreos. Done by your one and only Melisa.
Now to have a taste test for you guys. Pretty good, I tell you. They're delicious. Hope y'all get to try this because it is absolutely bomb.
.com.
And if you try it, let us know how it comes out. Let us know if you like it or not. Because, hey, you in quarantine, you ain't doing nothing else. And we got our taste tester right here, so you guys don't think we're lying. We got a taste tester.
I'm good.
You ready?
Am I ready for dancing for food?
That's how you know it's good, when you start dancing. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys leave a like, leave a comment. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel so you can keep chilling with the Crockett's. Peace out, y'all.